Introducing the Side-Shift Drum Lifter range, with manual hydraulic lift as standard or electric hydraulic lift for higher handling throughput. Unloading pallets of drums by hand is time-consuming and poses a high risk of injury to operators. The STS Side-Shift Drum Lifter removes that risk, safely lifting, moving and positioning steel, plastic and fibreboard drums weighing up to 350 kilograms. Available with 3 straddle widths, the legs pass around the pallet, allowing drums stored at both the front and the back to be reached with ease. This unique feature means pallets stored against a wall can be unloaded without repositioning them with a forklift or pallet truck. The side-shift lifter body slides smoothly left and right, giving operators the freedom to access drums from any position on a pallet. A fully adjustable drum catch securely grips a wide range of drums, making it a highly versatile and future-proof solution. On the manual hydraulic model, operators raise the drum by pumping the rear tiller and lower it using a release lever. On the electric model, push-button lift and lower controls eliminate manual operation, further improving handling efficiency. Customize the lifter to suit your application, with a range of optional upgrades, including stainless steel construction, ATEX certification for the manual hydraulic model, an integrated weighing system, and increased lift height.